Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing modern car poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open the Layer panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a long rectangular bar. Change its stroke to none, and fill to any color of your choice. Hold the Alt key, to create a copy of it. Create a small shape like this. Make a copy of it, and place here. Hold the Shift key, and select these shape. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size and placement. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Here I need some manual selection, and I choose Lasso tool for this. Then add a layer mask to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using the Go Bold regular font. And apply the red color to it. Follow my text settings. Select Text Layer, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. and adjust text placement. Hold Ctrl key, and click on Layer Mask for selection. And create a solid color adjustment layer. Drag it below the car layer. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery and then Path Blur. Follow my blur settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.